everybody, it's Tia. Welcome back to the channel. It has been a minute since I've been on YouTube. I'm here today to share a quick video with you. It's actually a follow-up from a TikTok I made. This video is how to end a conversation that you no longer want to engage in. Without further ado, here's some tips. If you saw my most recent TikTok, you know that in that video I gave 3 examples already.
1 is to ask where the restroom is. 2 is to say that you have to make a quick call to check in on somebody. 3 is to simply say it's been great talking with you. Thanks for sharing. Hope you enjoy the rest of your night.
Here's a few other tips from Inc.com, an author by the name of Melinda Zetlin, who wrote this article, and I fell in love with these tips. In addition to the last 3 tips, here's a couple more. Saying that you promised yourself that you would meet 3 new people and asking the person who you should talk to next. Something you could say is, thank you for taking the time to connect with me. Can I connect with you on XYZ social media? That kind of brings the conversation to a close. If you don't feel like bringing social media into it, instead try something like, thanks for taking the time to talk with me. May I give you my card? Please reach out if I can ever be of assistance. If it's someone that you know you might see again, by saying maybe at the next meeting, I'd love to continue our conversation then. The last tip is to introduce the person you're talking to someone else in the room, get that conversation going, and then you may gracefully exit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye!